Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's how-to video, we'll be cutting dragon fruit, okay? So first you cut off these ends, okay? Those are not edible. Those go all the way through. Okay, just like that. And once you put them into quarters like this, you're simply gonna peel just like that. All right, there we go. Just stop peeling off the corners just like that. And then what you can do is just slice them into whatever sizes you want to eat, you know, or whatever decorations you want to put on the table. And if you guys are wondering what it tastes like, I'm going to try one right now. You know, to be honest, there's not too much flavor to it. Slight bit of a sweetness to it. But
it has lots of antioxidants.
But this is full of antioxidants. It's supposed to be really healthy for you. Once you cut them up, then you can use a peel, just like this. I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you already have it. And until next time.